Have you ever faced this moment? A guest comes to your home, and you don't know what to say in English? You understand everything. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. Today, you will learn exactly what to say. Not theory, real conversation. Hello and welcome to our channel. Here, we don't just learn English, we build confidence. We practice listening, speaking, and real-life conversations. And along with English, we also learn mindset, life lessons, and daily communication skills. On this channel, you will learn how to speak naturally, how to respond without thinking too much, and how to handle real-life situations in English. So today, we are going to practice a real situation. Imagine this. A guest comes to your home now. What will you say? How will you start the conversation? How will you continue it naturally? Today, you will learn everything step by step. Just listen carefully and speak along in your mind.
Hello. Welcome to our home. Hello. Welcome to our home.
Thank you. It's really nice to be here. Thank you. It's really nice to be here.
How are you? How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you? I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good too. Please come in. I'm good too. Please come in.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. Have a seat. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. This place is really nice. Thanks. This place is really nice.
Would you like some water? Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Would you prefer tea or coffee? Would you prefer tea or coffee?
I would love some tea. I would love some tea.
Sure, I'll make it for you. Sure, I'll make it for you.
That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you.
So, how was your journey? So, how was your journey?
It was quite smooth, not too tiring. It was quite smooth, not too tiring.
Did you find the house easily? Did you find the house easily?
Yes, the location was easy to find. Yes, the location was easy to find.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
Yes, I didn't face any problem. Yes, I didn't face any problem.
You must be a little tired. You must be a little tired.
A little bit, but I'm fine now. A little bit, but I'm fine now.
Take your time and relax. Take your time and relax.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate that.
So, how is your family? So, how is your family?
They're all doing well. They're all doing well.
That's great. That's great.
Yes, everyone sends their regards. Yes, everyone sends their regards.
It's been a long time since we met. It's been a long time since we met.
Yes, it really has been a while. Yes, it really has been a while.
What have you been doing these days? What have you been doing these days?
I've been busy with work and studies. I've been busy with work and studies.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
Yes, trying to stay productive. Yes, trying to stay productive.
By the way, you look great today. By the way, you look great today.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Do you visit this area often? Do you visit this area often?
Not really, only occasionally. Not really, only occasionally.
You should come more often. You should come more often.
Yes, I would love to. Yes, I would love to.
Did you eat something before coming? Did you eat something before coming?
No, not much. No, not much.
Then you must eat with us today. Then you must eat with us today.
That sounds great. Thank you. That sounds great. Thank you.
I hope you like homemade food. I hope you like homemade food.
Yes, I really enjoy homemade food. Yes, I really enjoy homemade food.
That's perfect then. That's perfect then.
I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.
Feel free to ask if you need anything. Feel free to ask if you need anything.
Sure, thank you for saying that. Sure, thank you for saying that.
Don't hesitate at all. Don't hesitate at all.
I won't, thanks. I won't, thanks.
This is your home. This is your home.
That's really sweet of you. That's really sweet of you.
How long are you planning to stay? How long are you planning to stay?
Just for a few hours today. Just for a few hours today.
That's fine, but next time stay longer. That's fine, but next time stay longer.
Yes, I definitely will. Yes, I definitely will.
We really enjoy your company. We really enjoy your company.
I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that.
It feels good to spend time together. It feels good to spend time together.
Yes, it really does. Yes, it really does.
Time goes so fast when we talk. Time goes so fast when we talk.
That's true. That's true.
So, what are your future plans? So, what are your future plans?
Yes, we should plan it regularly. Yes, we should plan it regularly.
That's a good goal. That's a good goal.
I'm focusing on improving myself. I'm focusing on improving myself.
Keep going. You're doing great. Keep going. You're doing great.
Yes, one step at a time. Yes, one step at a time.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you. That really means a lot. Thank you. That really means a lot.
All right. I'll go and prepare the tea. All right. I'll go and prepare the tea.
Sure, take your time. Sure, take your time.
Here's your tea. Here's your tea.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tell me if you need anything else. Tell me if you need anything else.
Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
You too, take care. You too, take care.
Now it's time to level up. We will do a fast practice round. This time, no thinking, no stopping. Just listen and speak quickly. Try to match the speed. If you struggle, that's good. That means you are learning. Let's begin. Hello, welcome to our home. How are you? Please come in. Have a seat. Would you like some tea? How was your journey? How is your family? What are you doing these days? Would you like to eat with us? It was really nice talking to you. Now answer honestly. If a guest comes to your home today, what will you say after hello? Write your answer in the comments. If you really want to speak English, don't just watch this once. Watch this video again and again, at least 2 to 3 times. Listen carefully and speak along every sentence. That's how your brain learns. That's how confidence builds. Keep practicing, and you will start speaking naturally. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.